हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे ऑल इंडिया बार एग्जामिनेशन जो आज ही 5 फरवरी 2023 को हुआ है और हमें इस एग्ज़ाम का सेट डी मिला है क्वेश्चन। तो हमने इसको सॉल्व किया और हम पहले आपको मोटा मोटी बता दें इसमें क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस में था। तो इसमें 100 क्वेश्चन थे और हर क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क्स का था और किसी भी क्वेश्चन के लिए कोई नेगेटिव मार्क्स नहीं था। टोटल ड्यूरेशन 3 आवर्स था। आप इसमें बेयर एक्ट आप ले जा सकते थे और आप ओएमआर सीट में इसका आंसर लिखना था। अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। सपोज रोड एक्सीडेंट occurs, then being an advocate, what is the correct way of approaching the situation? And the correct answer will be A. The second question was the principle of EB just EB remedium was recognized in which case? एंड आप लोग जानते होंगे इट्स फेमस केस एसबी वर्सेस वाइट। एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन था ग्लूकोस्टर ग्रामर स्कूल केस इज ए लैंडमार्क केस बेस्ड ऑन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मैक्सिम। तो इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, दैट इज डैमनम साइन इंजुरिया। The fourth question was the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission under Consumer Protection Act 2019 shall have the jurisdiction to complaint where the value of the goods or service paid as a consideration exceed rupees. Then its correct answer is option B, that is 10 crore rupees. The next question is question number 5. The text of the certified standing order shall be prominently posted by the employer in dash language and in the language understood by the majority of his workmen. The correct answer is option B, that is English. Sixth question is a person who has ultimate control over the affairs of the factory under the Factory Act 1948 is called occupier. एक्चुअली हम इसको थोड़ा फास्ट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं और जितना जल्दी हो सके हम आपको इसके आंसर बताना चाहते हैं। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इफ द फैक्ट्री इम्प्लाइज मोर देन 1000 वर्कर्स दे शुड अपॉइंट क्वालिफाइड dash to carry out the prescribed duties. The correct answer will be option A, that is safety officer. The next question is it's a long question and इस शॉर्ट में हम बता देते हैं। इसका करेक्ट जो आंसर है वो ऑप्शन बी है, दिल्ली, उत्तर प्रदेश एंड जम्मू कश्मीर। The next question is question number 9. The primary GST slabs for any regular taxpayer are presently pegged at. तो ये सब आप लोग जानते हैं। ये इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी, that is 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Next question is question number 10. Under section 41 of Consumer Protection Act 2019, an appeal from the order of district commission lies to. So the correct answer will be option A, state commission. The next question is for an individual, it is related to the income tax act. Question is for an individual to be deemed to be resident in India in any previous year, one of the condition is, so the correct answer will be option A, if he is in India for a period of 182 days or more during the previous year. Next question is question number 12 and it's one type of illustration type of question and it is also related to income tax act. Question is Mr. Kapoor purchased a residential house in January 2021 for rupees 80 lakh. He sold the house in April 2022 for 94 lakhs. In this case, the gain of rupees 14 lakh arises on account of sale of residential house. Will be charged to the tax under which of the following head? The correct answer will be option A, that is income from the capital gains. Next question is according to section 5 of a specific relief act 1963, a person entitled to the possession of a specific immovable property may recover it in the manner provided in. The correct answer will be option B, the Code of the Civil Procedure 1908. Next question, question number 14, where the mortgager delivers possession of the mortgage property to the mortgagee and authorize him to retain such possession until payment of the mortgage money and to receive the rent and profits accruing from the property in lieu of interest or in payment of the mortgage money. The transaction is called, and it's asking the types of mortgage, and the correct answer will be option D, that is usufructory mortgage. Next, the question number 15, in which of the following case it was decided that a contract with minor is void? It's a very famous case, and it's related to the Indian Contract Act, and the correct answer will be option C, that is Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh. Section we will Next question is question number 16, that is B, the proprietor of a newspaper publishes at A's request a libel upon C in the paper, and A agreed to indemnify B against the consequences of the publication and all cost and the damages of any action in respect thereof. B is sued by C and has to pay damages and also incurs expenses decide in the light of the section 2 to 4 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, and the correct answer will be option A. A is not liable to B upon indemnity. Next question is question number 17. A person whom the agent named to act for the principal in the business of agency under the express or implied authority to name is called the substituted agent. Uh, mm, uh, Next question is question number 18, that is A, dash injunction can only be granted by the decree made at the hearing and upon the merit of the suit. The defendant is thereby perpetually enjoined from the assertion of a right or from the commission of an act which could be contrary to the right of the plaintiff, and the correct answer will be option B, that is perpetual injunction. Next question is question number 19. A specified person under the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation, and resettlement Act 2013 many means any person other than uh, and the correct answer will be all of these, that is appropriate government company, and the association of person or trust or society wholly or partially aided by the appropriate government or controlled by the appropriate government. Next question is question number 20, who shall be the registrar of the trademark for the purpose of Trademark Act 1999? And the correct answer will be option A, that is Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademark marks. Next question is question number 21. Which one of the following is not a type of IPR? That is intellectual property rights. The correct answer will be option D, historical indication. Next question is which of the following is are correct with respect to the declaratory degree under the Specific Relief Act 1963, and the correct answer will be option C, that is both. Section 34 of the said act deal with it and it is discretionary in nature. Next question is which of the following is not a negotiable instrument as defined under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, and that is the correct answer will be ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज बिलिंग रिसिप्ट, बिकॉज हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि प्रोमिसरी नोट, बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज एंड चेक, दिस ऑल आर द negotiable instrument under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Next question, question number 24. According to the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement Act 2013, appropriate government can acquire the land for which of the following purpose? And the correct answer will be all the fours, and given in option D. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court decided that a constitutional amendment is a law within the meaning of Article 13, subclause 2, and therefore, if it violates any of the fundamental rights, it may be declared void. And it's a famous case, that is Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Next question is question number 26. Uniform Civil Code in India is, and the correct answer will be option B, directive principle of state policy. Next question is question number 27. As per Article 16, no citizen shall, on ground only of, and it's related to Article 16, and the correct answer will be option A, that is religion, race, caste, sex, descent, place of birth and residence. इट्स वेरी वेल आप लोग देख सकते हैं इसमें बाकी सारे ऑप्शन में एज 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 दिया हुआ है, तो इट्स वेरी इजी था कि अगर आपको थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन भी है तो आप इसको एज के द्वारा आप इसको एलिमिनेट कर सकते थे. And the correct answer will be option A. The next question is the minimum number of judges who are to sit for the purpose of deciding any case involving a substantial question of law as to the interpretation of this constitution or for the purpose of hearing any reference under Article 143 shall be, and the correct answer will be option D, that is 5 judges. Next question number 29. According to the Article 300A of the Constitution of India, no dash shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. And the correct answer will be option A, that is person. No person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. Next question is question number 30. The title of the Constitution of India is laid down in, and it's a very unique type of question. And as we all know, the title of the Constitution is given at the last of the Constitution, and it is given in Article 393 of the Constitution, and therefore the correct answer will be option D. Next question is question number 31. Constitutional provision of fundamental rights are given under which of part of the Constitution? And it's a very easy question, and the correct answer is option C, that is part 3. Next question is question number 32. By which of the following Amendment Act 1985 anti-defection law was added in the Constitution of India? And the correct answer is option B, that is 52nd Constitutional Amendment. Next question is question number 33. Name two essential conditions of penal liability. And as we all know, the mens rea and actus rea. And the correct answer will be option C, that is guilty mind and wrongful act. Next question is question number 34. Provisions for right of private defense is given between dash of the section IPC, and the correct answer will be option B, that is section 96 to 106. Next question is question number 35. The consent is not a valid consent under the section 90 of the IPC, and the answer will be all of the above, all of these, because option A में है if given under fear of injury or misconception of fact, it is also true. If given by the person of unsound mind, it is also true. And if given by a child below 12 years, it's also true. Therefore, the correct answer will be option D, all of these. Next question is question number 36. Causing of death of child in the mother's womb is not homicide as provided under. So this is provided in explanation 3 to the section 299, that is culpable homicide के explanation 3 में ये दिया हुआ है. Next question is question number 37. Punishment for defamation under Indian Penal Code is simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to dash or with fine or with both. तो डिफेमेशन के लिए जो पनिशमेंट है वो मैक्सिमम 2 years है. Next question is question number 38. Which of the following is not law according to Article 13 of the Indian Constitution? Then it's a very tricky type question. यहाँ दिया हुआ है rule, bylaws and custom and union. These all are the law according to the Article 13, and therefore the correct answer will be option D, none of these. Next question, question number 39. Which of the following schedule deal with the union list, state list and concurrent list in the Constitution of India? And it's very also easy question. The correct option is correct answer is option A, that is schedule 7. Next question, under section 82 and 83 of Indian Penal Code, an offence is punishable if it is done by a child, and it's related to section 82 and 83 of IPC, and the correct answer will be option B, that is of above 7 years of age but below 12 years having attained sufficient maturity. यहाँ पे जो अटेंड सफिशियंट मैच्योरिटी है इसलिए ये पनिशेबल है. Next question is question number 41. Section 125 of CRPC is secular in character was observed in which of the following case. और ये बहुत ही फेमस केस है, दैट इज मोहम्मद अहमद खान वर्सेस शाह बानो बेगम. जो ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. Who has the power of summary trial of a case? And the correct answer will be all of these, option D, because summary trial chief judicial magistrate, metropolitan magistrate and any magistrate of first class especially empowered by the high court ये लोग कर सकते हैं. Next question is question number 43. Which section deal with the process to compel appearance under Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? And the correct answer is option A, that is section 41, 61 to 90. And the next question is, an offense for which a police officer may arrest a person without warrant is known as. It's related to the definition clause of CRPC, and the correct answer will be option B, that is cognizable offense. Next question, question number 45. Assault or criminal force to woman with intent to outrage her modesty under IPC is which kind of offense? Then the correct answer will be option C, cognizable and non-bailable. Next question, question number 46. A places A places men with firearms at the outlets of the building and tells Z that they will fire at Z. If Z attempt to leave the building, A is guilty of, that is correct answer will be ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट. यहाँ कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि रॉन्गफुल रिस्ट्रेन होगा, यहाँ पे रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट होगा. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. द प्रोविजन ऑफ प्ली बार्गेनिंग अंडर सेक्शन अंडर चैप्टर 11A of CRPC, chapter 21A of the CRPC are not applicable if the offense is committed against a child below the age of, and the correct answer will be option B, that is 14 years. Next question number 48. If someone lies before the court on affidavit, how it can be tackled by the advocate or advocates? The correct answer will be A, perjury application can be filed. Next question is question number 49, and it's a proclamation for a person absconding shall be published as follows. इसमें मेथड पूछे गए हैं, किस किस मेथड से प्रोक्लेमेशन किया जा सकता है absconding पर्सन का. तो इस द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज ऑल 1, 2, 3 and 4. Section question number 50. In a summon trial case instituted on a complaint wherein the summon has been issued to the accused, the non-appearance or death of the complainant shall entail. ये this is related to section 256 of CRPC, and the correct answer will be option B, acquittal of a accused, of the accused. Next question, question number 51. Suppose FIR is not registered by the station house officer SHO. What are the options that the complainant has? The correct answer will be both approach superintendent of police and approach magistrate by filing private complaint. Next question is question number 52. Any police officer making an investigation under section 160 of CRPC cannot require the attendance of a male at a place other than the place of his residence, which the correct answer will be option C, if that person is under the age of 15 years and above the age of 65 years. Next question is question number 53. That is question, Mr. X, Mr. Y and Mr. Z are jointly and severally liable for rupees 10,000 under a decree obtained by Mr. A. Mr. Y obtains a degree for rupees 10,000 against Mr. A singly and applies for the execution to the court in which the joint degree is being executed. Which of the following option is correct for Mr. A? And the correct answer is option A. Mr. A may treat his joint degree as a cross degree under Order 21, Rule 18. Next question, question number 54. A, B, and C are co-partner of a joint Hindu family. They jointly execute a mortgage in favor of Y. Y files a suit against all of them. Summon is served to C, but not to A and B. None of them appears and an ex parte degree is passed against all. A and B applied to set aside the ex parte degree. The degree will be set aside against. The correct answer will be option C, that is A, B, and C. Next question, question number 55. Which of the following provision of Civil Procedure Code 1908 deals with the institution of suit? And it's a very easy question. Question number option C, that is section 26. Next question is question number 56. Defendant shall within dash days from the date of service of someone on him present a written statement of his defense. Order, this is question is related to order 20 order 8, and the correct answer will be option B, that is 30 days. Next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? And the correct answer is option C, second appeal can be on क्वेश्चन ऑफ फैक्ट और लॉ और बोथ. यहाँ पे हमें ध्यान रखना है कि क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि कौन सा इनकरेक्ट है. तो ऑप्शन ए में कह रहा है कि फर्स्ट अपील कैन बी एन ऑन क्वेश्चन ऑफ फैक्ट और लॉ और बोथ. दिस इज करेक्ट. Second appeal can be on substantial question of law only. It's also correct. And D is first appeal may or may not be in the high court. Second appeal has to be in high court. This is also correct. So the correct answer will be option C, second appeal can be on question of fact or law or both. Next question, question number 58. Which order of civil procedure could deal with the temporary injunction and interlocutory injunction? And the correct answer will be option B, that is order 39. Next question, question number 59. It's related to section 20 illustration A of CPC, and the question is: A is a tradesman in Ahmedabad, B carries on business in Delhi, B by his agent in Ahmedabad buys goods of A and requested A to deliver them to the West Roadways Transport Company. A delivered the good accordingly in Ahmedabad. A may sue V for the price of the goods. And the correct answer will be option C, in either Ahmedabad or Delhi. Next question, question number 60. Which of the following section of the Civil Procedure Code deal with the concept of res judicata? And it's a very easy question. It's related to section 11, and the correct answer will be option B. Next question, question number 61. When the liability of a person who in one of the parties to the suit depends upon the liability of a stranger to the suit, then an admission by the stranger in respect of his liability shall be an admission on the part of that person who is a party to the suit. It has been so provided under which section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? And the correct answer will be option C, that is section 19. And next question, question number 62. Judicial evidence means. So correct answer will be evidence received by court in proof of or disproof of a fact. Next question, question number 63. Which of the following is not a document according to the Indian Evidence Act 1872? And as we know, an inscription or on a metal plate or a stone, it is document. A map or plan is a document. A caricature is a document. Therefore, the correct answer will be option D, none of these. Next question, question number 64. Presumption as to dowry death is given under which section? So its correct answer is option B, that is section 113B of the Indian Evidence Act. Which of the following is not secondary evidence as per the section 63 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? And the correct answer will be option D, copy not certified under section 63, because all the A, B, and C are the secondary evidence as per the section 63 of the Indian Evidence Act. Next question, question number 66. As per order 6, pleading shall means. Then we all know the definition of pleading. Pleading shall include plaint or written statement. Therefore, the correct answer will be option C, that is both plaint and written statement. Next question, question number 67. Which of the following order deal with the death, marriage, and insolvency of the parties? And the correct answer will be option C, order 22. Uh, the next question is section question number 68. The doctrine of res gencia has been discussed in which section of the Indian Evidence Act? And the correct answer is option B, that is section 6. Next question is question number 69. Which of the following section deal with the arbitration agreement uh, in Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? And correct answer is section 7, option B. Next question, question number 70. Under what circumstances the arbitral proceeding can be terminated? And the correct answer will be option A, 1 and 3. Next question is question number 71. Under question is question number 71. Under section 29 of Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, arbitration proceedings with more than one arbitrator, any decision of the arbitral tribunal, the correct answer will be option D, shall be made by majority of its member. Next question is question number 72. The provision for maintenance pendulite in Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is given in section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Next question is question number 73. A Muslim wife may sue for divorce under the Resolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939, section 2, if the husband has been insane for a period of option B, 2 years, and it's given in section 2, subclause 6, Dissolution of Marriage, Muslim Marriage Act 1939. The next question is question number 74, related to Indian Evidence Act, and it's a very good question. A leading question may be asked. Uh, then correct answer will be option C, cross examination. Uh, Next question is question number 75. Extrajudicial confession means, and the correct answer will be confession made either to police or other person other than judges and magistrate. Next question is question number 76. The arbitral tribunal shall not be bound by dash in the determination of rule of the proceeding. And the correct answer, it's a very good question, and ये बहुत बार repeat होता है, तो आप लोग इसको ध्यान रखिए कि ये दोनों जो आर्बिट्रल ट्रिब्यूनल शैल नॉट बी बाउंड बाय बोथ द सीपीसी एंड द इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट. Next question is question number 77. Which one of the following is not a ground of divorce in Hindu Marriage Act? And the options are mental disorder, venerable disease in communicable form, incurable in unsound mind. These all are the grounds of divorce under Hindu Marriage Act. But option D, living separately for less than 3 months, this is not the ground of divorce in Hindu Marriage Act. Next question is question number 78. Indian Christian can obtain divorce under which of the following enactment? This is a very tricky question, तो आप लोग इसमें कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. इसका आंसर सी होगा, इंडियन डाइवोर्स एक्ट 1869. Next question is question number 79. The section 12 of the Hindu Maintenance and Adoption Act 1956 deals with, and the correct answer will be effect of the adoption, option B. Next question is question number 80. Which of the following category of the cases will not be entertained as a public interest litigation, PIL? And the options are family pension, uh, petitions for from right victims, neglected child, and D is landlord tenant matter. And correct answer will be option D, landlord tenant matter, because ये पर्सनल टाइप के मैटर है, बाकी सारे वो पब्लिक एट लार्ज से रिलेटेड मैटर्स है, तो उसको हम लोग PIL के माध्यम से उसको हम लोग फाइल कर सकते हैं. Who is next question is, who is known as a father of public interest litigation in India? And the correct answer will be option D, Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Next question is question number 82. Muslim woman has option to be governed by the provisions of section 125 to 128 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Which section of the Muslim Woman Protection of Right on Divorce Act 1986 deals with it? And correct answer is option A, section 5. Next question is, which of the following is not a ground of void marriage under section 11 of the Hindu Marriage Act? And the options are bigamy, degree of prohibited relationship, suspended relationship. These all are the ground of void marriage under section 11, whereas child marriage is not a ground of void marriage under section 11 of Hindu Marriage Act. Next question is question number 84. Sapinda relationship means, and its correct answer is option B, that is third generation from mother side and fifth generation from father side. They are called Sapinda relationship. Uh, Next question is question number 85. Reed versus Baldwin case deal with. It's related to the natural justice. Option B. Correct. Next question is question number 86. Meaning of audio alterum praeterum. And the correct answer is a person cannot be condemned without being heard. And the option A is correct. Next question is question number 87. Rules made by Bar Council of India in exercising its rule making power under. It's related to section related to the Advocate Act 1961. एंड यहाँ पे सारे में एडवोकेट एक्ट लिखा हुआ है, बस हमें ईयर याद रखना था. तो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज द एडवोकेट एक्ट 1961. एंड एडवोकेट में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 88. An advocate may, while practicing, take up teaching of law in any educational institution which is affiliated to a university, so long as the hours of during which he is so engaged in the teaching of law do not exceed 3 hours in a day. The correct answer will be option B. ये वैसे लोगों के लिए है कि जो दोनों साथ के साथ प्रैक्टिस भी करना चाहते हैं और साथ के साथ दो जो पढ़ाना भी चाहते हैं, तो उनके लिए एक ऑप्शन है. Next question is question number 89. In which of the following landmark case the advocate was held guilty of professional misconduct as he had forced the court order? And the correct answer will be option A, Pratap Narayan versus YP Raheza. Uh, Next question is question number 90. Which of the following is not a real purpose of public interest litigation? And the options are: first, vindication of the rule of law; second is facilitate effective access to the justice; next option is meaningful realization of fundamental end. These all are the real purpose of public interest litigation, whereas option D, getting famous and making wealth, is not a real purpose of public interest litigation. Therefore, the correct answer will be option D. Next question is question number 91. In Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar, it's a very famous case, and emerge as a basic fundamental right. It's related to right to speedy justice, and therefore the correct answer will be option A. The next question is question number 92. Which of the following writ can be issued against usurpation of public officer? एंड इसका मीनिंग होता है अनधिकार ग्रहण. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, रीट ऑफ क्वी वारंटो. Next question is question number 93. Under which section of Environment Protection Act 1986 an appeal to National Green Tribunal NGT lies? And correct answer will be option B, that is section 5A. Next question is question number 94. Which one of the following fundamental duties related to environmental protection? And the correct answer will be option B, article 51A G. Next question is question number 95. Mr. A, who was aggrieved by an order made by the controller or an adjudicating officer, made an appeal to Cyber Appellant Tribunal. Later, Mr. A agreed by an order of Cyber Appellant Tribunal may prefer an appeal. Then यहाँ पे confuse नहीं होना है. The correct answer will be only in the High Court, not in directly in Supreme Court. Uh, Next question is question number 96. Mr. X, a person who is intended by Mr. Y, an originator to receive the electronic record, is under the IT Act known as a addressee. The correct answer will be option C, addressee. Next question is the minimum number of member required for a registration of trade union is, then correct answer will be option D, that is 7 members minimum required for registration of trade union. Next question is question number 98. If any advocate is aggrieved by an order of disciplinary committee of a state bar council made under section 35 of the Advocate Act, or Advocate General of the state may prefer an appeal to the Bar Council of India within dash days of the date of communication of the order, and the correct answer will be option C, 60 days, and it is given in section 37 of Advocate Act 1961. Next question is question number 99. ABC Private Limited Company choose to convert itself into a public company. It can do so by altering its memorandum of association and articles of association, and by passing a special resolution. It's provided in section 14 subclause 1 of Companies Act 2013. And the last question is question number 100. Doctrine of lifting of or piercing the corporate veil is associated with, is it related to कंपनी लॉ. तो ये आपके 100 क्वेश्चन थे, हमने इसको आप लोगों को इसके आंसर बताए हैं, और हम आशा करते हैं कि आप लोग अपना अपना कॉपी चेक करके और ये देख लेंगे कि आपके कितने सही है. मिनिमम जो पासिंग मार्क आपको तो आ ही जाएंगे, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन बहुत ही इजी थे. और बस थैंक यू वेरी मच.